She winces in pain as the blows rain down. He's flipped, he's insane, now she's hospital bound. Just before that she was tossed to the ground, screaming for help without making a sound. Too many whiskies he's down, yep, round after round. No food in the cupboard, spending pound after pound, going through mound after mound of the money they saved for the baby's new school clothes. She's wearing lashes again. As she stands in the rain, he places bets in a race. She's been told mummy fell again and hurt all her face. Fell again, just tripped over, that's 3 times in a week. She hates when it happens, cause her mummy won't speak. But dad's always nicer for an hour or two, gives her cuddles and kisses like a husband should do. Maybe things will get better, maybe mum won't get hurt. She keeps that thought in her head till the front door slams shut. Doesn't mind when he's gone, she has fun and it's funny. Can't wait till bath time when it's just her and mummy. Mummy acts different, she forgets all her troubles. Tell her baby she loves her and makes her heart out of bubbles. We shall clean and nice smelling at story time and then sleep. Mum makes her laugh, pulling faces and tickling her feet. Then she shuts her wee eyes and starts to drift off. Feels mum lips kiss her head, so tender, so soft. Mummy thinks that she's sleeping after coughing and sighing. It's a different sound now, why is mum crying? Another few kisses and a great big cuddle. Then she sneaks out the room but continues to bubble. The next sound she hears is one she can't ignore. Butterflies in her belly, dad's keys in the door. Why does he do the things he does? It's not right, no it's wrong. Why does he act like this? Why can't you both get along? Why do you accept this? Why take what he gives out? If he's bad then you should leave him, he deserves it, there's no doubt. However hard I try, I can never understand how you can barely smile at him, how you can love this man. Please just leave him now, you could do it here today. It's so sad but it's so true, you're your own worst enemy. He's shouting and swearing, mummy cries, he's not caring. There's a smashing in silence, now the TV's blaring. Maybe they've made up, she's going to sneak up and see. She's not being nosy, she just needs a wee pee. The bathroom lights on, what's that on the floor? It's all over the walls, who's behind the door? It's her mummy just sobbing and crying and sighing, just sniffing and whispering to stay out the kitchen. Then there's a shadow, the kitchen door's no longer shut, and dad's down there crying too and his wrists are all cut. That makes mummy get up, she takes the baby into the room, where she locks the door tightly like she's sealing a tomb. Dad's not saying anything but she can hear him groan. Mummy's hands are all shaking as she lifts up the phone. She wants daddy to stop it for the trouble to cease. Why does mummy keep screaming? Please send the police. The girl keeps thinking about what she's heard and she's seen. There's a blue light flashing and a wailing siren. The policeman is nice, he tells the wee girl not to worry. They can go to McDonald's and get a McFlurry. But she just wants her wee mummy, she just wants to feel safe. She wants to run and keep running and get away from this place. She's confused and she's scared and she's in for a fright, cause the doctor says mum must stay for the night. It's only for one night, just to make her feel better. She can stay with her gran, her uncle's coming to get her. This girl needs her sleep to grow strong, she must get some. But bad dreams break the cycle, create havoc and bedlam in the mind of an innocent, so small but so strong. Asking God why she been punished, did she do something wrong? Why does he do the things he does? It's not right, no it's wrong. Why does he act like this? Why can't you both get along? Why do you accept this? Why take what he gives out? If he's bad then you should leave him, he deserves it, there's no doubt. However hard I try, I can never understand how you can barely smile at him, how you can love this man. Please just leave him now, you could do it here today. It's so sad but it's so true, you're your own worst enemy. She's seen dad for days now and she misses him so, but he hurt her mummy, so she hits the pillow. She feels guilty for feeling the way that she does when mum says that it's over and it's just 2 of us. But she's heard it before, this is not the first time. There's been so many before, it'll be different this time. This wee soul's cried a river, heart sore, is it broken? Her eyes sting and they nip and her pillow was soaking. There was no provoking, take him back, are you joking? That's mum on the phone, saying that the thought gets her choking. Maybe this time's for good, it's been quite a while, and for the first time in a long time this wee girl cracks a smile. Mummy feels more relaxed now, you can tell cause it's showing. Not wearing shades on the school run when it's raining and snowing. Not pulling away at a touch, or being grumpy as such. Not limping or hobbling, doesn't fall down as much. They do fun things like go swimming and she's even had toys. The sad feeling is lifting and been replaced with a joy. There's food in the fridge and the cupboards are full. The heaters are roasting when before they were cool. She's got new stuff for school and new trainers, she's cool. She's got nice things for dinner and only eats till she's full. The days are a pleasure, nights not nearly as long. But is it wrong to feel sad cause her daddy is gone? At the weekend she goes to stay with her granny, so mum can get out more with her uncle and auntie. And the friends she's not seen, the places she's not been, trying to find out who she is, find her own self-esteem. And on her return, she looks forward to a cuddle. A wee night with mum when they can huddle and snuggle. She hurries up the path, dead quick in the double. Mum says, say hi to dad, life has just burst her bubble. Mum, you're being stupid, please don't take him back. I miss him too, but her life's back on track. I'm fed up with crying and sighing and lying, just trying to get by in the constant denying. It's true what so many say, you are your own worst enemy. You do deserve what you get if you put up with it every day. You're so selfish, you want them, then take them, that's fine. See how long it takes to get back to the first line of the shrine.